Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Alice.
What's your name?
My name is Alice.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.